Hi guys, welcome to How to Solutions YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create Skype account using phone number. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. The first step you need to do is to open Skype. Once you open Skype, you simply need to click on Let's Go. And here you need to click on Sign In or Create. And here you need to click on No Account, click on Create One. And now it is opening the next page, so you need to wait for a few seconds, and here you need to enter your number. So I'm going to enter my number here. Okay, then you need to click on next. You can use email as well, but for this case we are going to use the for our number. And here I'm going to create my password. Let me create another one. Too easy to remember password. Then you need to click on next again, and then you need to enter your first and last name, and you will receive a verification code on your number. Click on next. After putting that code, so now you can see that my Skype account is created, and click on continue, click on allow, click on continue again, click on allow, click on no, do not contribute. So this is your Skype account. So this is the process by which you can create Skype account using phone number. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.